In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn follower count. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, head over to the official LinkedIn website by entering LinkedIn.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This action will quickly take you to the LinkedIn homepage, where your professional journey and networking opportunities are just a few clicks away. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in. You have a few options for doing this. You can choose to sign in with a Google account, a Microsoft account, or, if you prefer, you can manually enter your email address and password. If you haven't yet created an account, you'd need to do that first. But for this tutorial, let's assume you already have an account set up and ready to roll. Now that you're successfully logged in, you should immediately be redirected to your home feed. To access your profile, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you will notice either your profile picture or your name prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can manage various aspects related to your career and professional image on LinkedIn. Once on your profile, you'll spot your profile picture, your name, and your professional headline prominently featured. Directly below this, LinkedIn typically provides a brief overview of your network, including both your connections and followers. This is a great place to catch a quick glimpse of your engagement. However, if you're looking for more detailed insights, the journey doesn't end here. Your next step is to focus on the number indicated beneath your name, which signifies how many people are following you. By clicking on this number, LinkedIn provides an instant overview of who your followers are. Yet there's even more to explore if you're eager to delve deeper into your activity and engagement levels. For a more comprehensive review, scroll down until you reach a section labeled Activity. Within this section, you'll find a link that reads See All Activity. Go ahead and click on this link. This segment not only brings to light the number of followers you have, but it also offers a dashboard of interactions, posts, and various other critical metrics. These insights are invaluable as they reveal how effectively your presence resonates with others in your professional circle. And there you have it. A simple, easy-to-follow guide to finding your LinkedIn follower count. This newfound insight can be beneficial as you evaluate the growth of your professional brand over time. Moreover, it may even help you identify opportunities to expand your network further, reaching new contacts and broadening your influence in your field. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide empowers you in your LinkedIn endeavors.